Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technokatta. Today we are going to see how to create a table in SQL Server Management Studio. We can create a table in two ways. First way is using drag and drop options and second way is using query statement. Before we going to start, if you new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like my video, just hit the like button and comment in comment section. So let's get start. So first I'm going to start my SQL Server Management Studio. This is my SQL Server Management Studio and version is 17.9. After opening this, you can see here the SQL Server command palette connect to server window. Here putting the instance name and I am authenticate my instance name with Windows authentication. I am just clicking on the connect button. After connecting the server, our Object Explorer will be open. Here we can see our connection was successfully connected to the server. I'll unexpand these databases. I am already created the databases. So in previous video, we can see how to create a database. You can go and watch the video to how to create a databases. I am use the previous created database. So I'm clicking I'm unexpanding this, and after unexpanding you can see the second option is tables. Just right click on that and click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, you can see here we can create the various types of tables. I am creating the simple table, so I am clicking on that simple button of table. After clicking on that, you can see here command palette is open. So this is the column name, second one is the data type, and last one is the allowing nulls checkbox. You can put here the column names. I am putting id. This is id is integer type, so I am putting here int, and we cannot check the button. Second one is the first name. This is the character type, so I am putting NURCHAR. Data type 50. Sorry, spelling mistake. Last name. This is also where character type, so I'm putting NURCHAR, enter, and last one is the age. This is also integer, so I'm putting int data type. After creating the schema of the table, you can save this table. You can click on the save button and also just hitting the Ctrl S button. Here you can put your table name, TBL student. This is the standard syntax of creating a table name. I'm clicking on the OK button. After clicking the OK button, your table was successfully created. Just unexpand this and refresh. After refreshing, unexpand this again and unexpand this also, and you can see your table will be successfully created. Just you want to put the values, just click on the edit top to 200 rows. After clicking that, you just insert the some values in the table. This is first value. I am putting Amar. Tab Desai. Tab age of that student is 20. This is second record. This is Amit Patil. And age of that student is 23. Also again tap and save this. After saving, refresh and just right click on that and click on select top 1000 rows. This is for here you can see your data will be successfully inserted in the table. This is the first way to creating a table and inserting the data in the table. I am going to show you how to create a table in query statement. Using query statement, just click on the new query button and just write your query here. I'm going to create table. This is the standard syntax of creating a table. I am putting here hospital. This is the table name of our hospital. And in the braces, just put the column names. First one is a hospital ID. This is our first column name. This is integer. Just put the semicolon. Second one column name is hospital name. This is character type, so I am putting nvarchar 50. This is the length of that string. And address of that hospital, so I am putting address. And this is also character type, so I'm putting nvarchar here 50. This is the also length. And after putting the query, you just execute this query. Just click on the execute button. After clicking on that, you can see on the footer section your query was successfully executed, and you just refresh and expand this, and you can see here your table will be successfully created. Just put the values in that table. First one is hospital ID, so I am putting here 1. Hospital name is City Hospital. I am putting here city, and address of that hospital is Mumbai, so I am putting here address of that hospital is Mumbai. Okay, tab. So we can see the record will be successfully inserted or not. Click on the select top 1000. Here you can see our record will be successfully stored in the table. So this is all about the creating a table. We can see creating a table using drag and drop and also using query statements. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, just hit the like button and also subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you guys.